Here's a design secret. Do you have a room where you have a TV but you don't always want to see it? What you can do is you can put it in a frame and you can put two-way mirror behind it. So when the TV's off, you have a beautiful mirror. And once the TV's on, you have full view of your show that you want to watch. So my last video of the Mirror TV got so many comments, I thought I'd do a follow-up video to answer some of your questions. So your number one question was, what about the glare? Well, it is a two-way mirror, so any ambient lighting on the surface that you have is going to create a reflection against the TV frame. For best viewing pleasure, lower the lights in the room and you're going to get a better quality TV picture. The second was, how do we get to the TV? In this situation, the TV is recessed in the wall and the TV frame is on a cleat, so it easily just pops off the wall. So you can take it off and on as needed, and you can get to the TV and all the components. What about the heat? Well, because it's in an insulated frame, we're able to protect the TV and the components from the fireplace below. The other thing is ventilation. Well, there's all ventilation all the way around the perimeter into the cavity, so the components are always able to breathe and they don't overheat. The last question was, what about the height? Well, because we don't have a mantle and because it's insulated, we're able to lower the center of the TV down. I'm 6'1", so this TV's down in the 50-inch marks off the floor, so you're able to get the maximum level of viewing pleasure at the height that you need. If you have any more comments, please comment below.